All right. I'm Dominic Stencil.
I'm Ibrahim.
And then we also had Patrick with us today, but he had to leave a little bit early and couldn't quite unfortunately make the presentation.
And then for the app we have today,
There you go.
okay. So we built a tracking app which you can track your goals and your habits. So if you have like you want to drink more water, exercise more, you can add all your habits into the app and it can tell you the progress you have. There's a goal page, see all the goals you have. And then you can set daily affirmations if you log in and say, I did this, I did this well, I'm happy with myself. And then you can also interact with other users. So if you share your link, people can leave anonymous messages on your page and be like, we're proud of you, keep on doing this. And then we did use HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript to build this. And then just to show you the build,
Mhm. So we got it right here. We got the login page and we created a demo user.
I mean, this looks awesome.
So you can log in and then you kind of got like a calendar of all your daily affirmations and your milestones and all your affirmations that you can track and see. Sorry, I gotta move this out the way. It's kind of in my way, the text box. So right here at the top, we have day 32, which is how long you've been keeping up with your goal that you have in mind. And then right here, we have the week, the last week, and you can see. So if you click on Friday, we actually have a message from Joey, and he said, "You're doing so great. Keep it up." And then here, if we click on today, you can write a little affirmation for yourself. And then as we move into the future, this will store in the calendar and you can kind of go back and see all your daily affirmations and remind yourself to keep up with your goal and, kind of put yourself in the retrospective you and not get caught up on today's hard task. So you can see on the 11th, we have your affirmation. You're like, I am the best reader. Keep reminding yourself that who you are. And then at the bottom here, we have some more affirmations and kind of daily things that you can do to help with your goal. And then, and then Ibrahim will talk about sharing the link. So here you just click share a link and I'll save it to your clipboard, copy paste it here.
and then here, this would be how someone reaches out to you. This is totally anonymous. As you can see, someone is working on read. So no one will be able to know it's your progress. So if I enter my name, I can do, mhm. And then I can be like, keep on reading, you got this. And then I can choose in 3 months' time, when they hit the 3 months goal, they would be able to see this affirmation and I can send a message and the message will be sent.
So yeah, so now if we go back to our thing, obviously we gotta refresh it. Then we go 3 months from now.
I think it
Yeah,
was
right here.
previous month.
So here you can see a message from Dom. So it unlocks on this day. So this kind of like encourages you to keep going at your goal and keep doing it day after day. So you can lock the messages from other people because, it'd kind of be a crappy feeling if you didn't actually make it to one of the milestones that someone set for you and you didn't actually get to see their message. So it's kind of just another one of those pieces where you got to keep at your goal and get it done. And yeah, and we also have milestones for different as we have 1 month, 3 month, 6 months, and 1 years. And that is our project on how to bring joy to people's lives daily. There's a lot of distractions in our world nowadays, and people get addicted to all sorts of things or, need to keep up on certain things that they should be doing. So this is a great way to keep that going. So thank you.
Guys, this was great. I also do leave the daily affirmation that I am reading well, so thank you. But well, one thing I would say is that I actually use something similar to this for gym workouts. So it's interesting, like how with a little twist on this, it's like, oh, like I would actually love to like log my daily gym workouts and like kind of see like how
Mm.
I'm doing versus me versus the past. Um, I'll turn it over to the mentors for questions. I think a Moog has one. Moog was stroking his beard, so I think he might have one. No, he's past it. He's like, no, I just was meditating out here. Do we got any Jade, Mike, any for you? No. Okay. Also, sweet background, Jade. I don't know if is that a real background?
Yes, it is.
Oh my God, it's sweet background,
Nice
dude. Yeah,
IKEA
rock on.
bookcase.
I'm like in my kitchen. Awesome, guys. That was awesome. Are you gonna put it on prod?
We haven't talked about it yet, but hopefully.
It's a discussion. It's a discussion. I understand, boys. Well, if you
Yeah.
do put it on prod, let me know and I'll put it on the site. But yeah, awesome project.